Well, it's a busy night in the world of weather. We had some showers and storms develop during the day today. We're going to see more of them overnight tonight into tomorrow all the way through Thursday. We'll start with the live look outside. Fairly calm right now for San Antonio. We've got some rain moving in from the west. A lot of dark clouds there. You can see they're kind of low, showing us the moisture is here, and it's going to be here to stay for a little while. 79 the current temperature at the San Antonio airport, as we have dropped out of the 80s now after the afternoon in the 90s. Feels like 82 with that dew point at 73. That's a high dew point. The closer that is to the actual air temperature, the higher that humidity. It's at 82%, and you feel it as you step outside. Temperatures were not very uniform earlier today. We had hundreds down for Pearsall and Cotulla, where it rained in the 70s. Now it's mostly 70s and 80s. San Antonio 79 again, 73 in Bernie, Kerrville at 71, where more of that rain has fallen the past couple of hours. 74 in Junction, still very warm to the south. 87 for Pearsall and Cotulla. Eagle Pass and Del Rio both at 86. Gonzales, Seguin, both sitting at 78 degrees. Here's that flood watch. All the counties shaded in green. That includes Bexar County, everything off to the west toward the Rio Grande and the border, everything to the north, including the Hill Country and Austin. This is now in effect all the way through Thursday evening. So 3.5 days with this in effect. And so that tells us we're going to have a lot of shower and storm activity over the next several days. And we have it right now. Your eyes go right to this guy right here. It's a lot of shower activity, some thunderstorms in there too, a lot of lightning. And we have several flash flood warnings to show you. First, this one, the latest one, this is for Bandera, Kerr, and Medina counties. This is running until 1:30 in the morning. This area has picked up already 2 to 4 inches of rainfall. Now it's northern Medina County and southern Bandera County seeing the worst of that. This is not severe. It is dropping a lot of rainfall, and it has lightning, some gusty winds, but not severe winds, 55 miles per hour or higher. No tornado with this, no hail, just a lot of heavy rain and lightning. And it does look like it's going to push into Bexar County. Western parts of the county likely seeing the worst of it. Not sure if it'll make it downtown. Some of the rainfall will. Looks like the worst of it might pass off just to the west around Hondo, Castroville. So you probably see the lightning and hear the thunder already. Further to the north, we do have some moderate to heavy rain around Johnson City, moving out of the Fredericksburg area. Blanco seeing that rain. No lightning up here, but it is quite a big swath of rainfall that is pushing through. Here's the setup overall. We've got this area of high pressure to our north with a lot of dry air, bringing a lot of heat to the northern part of the country. Down to the south, we're on the southern side of that ridge. The winds out of the east and southeast, bringing the moisture off the Gulf. Then this guy, this upper level area of low pressure, that's going to track in. That'll provide the uplift needed, the trigger to create these showers and storms over the next several days. Hour by hour forecast as we head into 3 a.m. That batch moving through now should dissipate, but then we see more developing off to the west. And as we head towards morning rush, you can see much of the area seeing the moderate to heavy rainfall. So leave for work early tomorrow. Try to get up early. Make sure to tune into KENS 5. Get the latest on the weather. A lot of that looks to dry out during the day tomorrow, but still some rounds of scattered showers and storms during the day tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, once again, another develops. And it looks like this one further off to the west. That's why the heaviest of the rainfall, possibly more than 10 inches through Thursday, anticipated in our western counties. Not quite as much for San Antonio, but we'll see more rounds of showers and storms through Wednesday and also Thursday, bringing in those totals. And because of that, the Weather Prediction Center has much of the area and a moderate risk for flooding tomorrow, a wider area, including San Antonio, into Wednesday also. So make sure you do stay weather aware all the way through the middle of this week. Soggy start tomorrow morning, starting out in the 70s. Not quite as wet in the afternoon, but still rounds of showers and storms, a high of 87. Weather impact alerts for both Tuesday and Wednesday. That's why it's shaded in red. Rain chances pretty high. They go down Thursday and Friday. Then we dry out and warm up for the rest of that forecast. Nate is back with sports right after this.